Fellowship greetings to one and all. Namaste. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this gathering where the rich knowledge about the Vedic culture is going to be shared, representing the Tamil Nadu SGF. Thank you one and all for considering and giving me this opportunity. India is a nation with rich Vedic cultural background. And when it comes to sharing the knowledge on Vedic culture, the Vedas stand first to be a thoughtful and cherishable treasure. The word Veda is derived from Sanskrit, from the word Vid, which means knowledge. Knowledge about what? Yes, knowledge about the universe, the creation, dissolution, and the celestial cosmos. For a layman's point of view, it speaks about who we really are. It speaks about what we are, what is our destiny, and how do we attain that calmness and peace from inside. The only way to attain this calmness from inside is by realizing the Supreme God. Vedas had emerged from the words of the Supreme to the disciples. It was taught by a guru to his students. One such great saint, one and only such great saint, or I can call a sage, or to be very clear for the modern generation, I can call him a great scientist, and he is none other than sage Vedavyasa. Yes, Krishna Dvaipayana, a child born genius, who learned all the Shastras and was blessed to gain the knowledge from his father, Rishi Parashara, and guided by his mother, the great Matsyagandha. Yes, indeed, it is Krishna Dvaipayana, the name of the great sage Vedavyasa. He attained the name Vyasa after attempting to classify the Vedas into main categories. Like how, we all have the treasure of books and the knowledge, and we want to classify those books in the library according to the content of the book into various categories. Like that, the knowledge that was acclaimed from the Father was categorized into 4 Vedas, 4 sections of the Vedas, namely Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda, and Atharva Veda. Sage Vyasa composed the great Mahabharata, as the ultimate purpose behind his composition was to ensure dharma to all, or to show the path of righteousness. Among the other major works of sage Vyasa, Brahma Sutras and the 18 Puranas hold a very important place. He gave the world the knowledge of the 3 paths of attaining the Lord. Path number 1, karma, that is, doing your duty in dedication to the Lord. Number 2, bhakti, that is, devotion towards the Lord. And number 3, jnana, that is, attaining knowledge of the ultimate truth. While we cherish the treasure of knowledge through Vedavyasa, I would be failing from my duty if I don't mention here about the contribution of great sage Thiruvalluvar. Since I am representing the Tamil Nadu SGF, I am very much happy and proud to share my knowledge about the Dravidian sage. We all would have noticed our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Mohan Ji using a few quotes in Tamil in many of his भाषण्स. अनेक भाषणों में हमने ध्यान दिया होगा, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कई जगह तमिल में द्राविडियन तिरुकुरल तमिल में चंद वर्सेस के प्रयोजन किए हैं, and that is none other than from the Tirukkural. Valluvar Kottam, a memorial built in honor to the creator, author and a great sage, Saint Thiruvalluvar, whose work Tirukkural is compared at par with the Vedas. It is a unique book of wisdom created some 2000 years ago. There are 1330 verses, short verses, consisting of just 7 words each. The entire Tirukkural is divided into 133 chapters, comprising of 10 verses each. It's all about human life and knowledge on how to live a healthy, truly wonderful life. Like how the Vedas are divided, we find a similar division here in Tirukkural as well. Inside the Valluvar Kotam, all the 1330 verses called Kurals are beautifully carved in stone. Just to quote one here, Puran Tuimai, Niran Amayum, Agan Tuimai, Vaimayal Kanapadum, meaning the purity of body is caused by water and the purity of mind is caused by truthfulness. Tirukkural is relevant to people of all culture and all times. Tirukkural is used to swear the oath of truth in the courts of Tamil Nadu. The combined height of the famous Thiruvalluvar statue and its pedestal in Kanyakumari is 133 feet long. This is marked as a tribute to all the 133 verses of Tirukkural. India is known all over the world for its spiritual wisdom. Our sages spent their entire life seeking this knowledge and revealing it to the mankind for the betterment of the mankind. They are our incomparable heritage. Let us be proud and take this knowledge of this rich Vedic culture to the younger generation. Let us all come forward to share this knowledge, take it forward for the younger generation. Thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.